Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can use Foodpanda promo code. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, simply tap on your Foodpanda app, and once you tap it on, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So now to use your promo code, all you need to do is simply add something in your menu by tapping on it, and simply once you add it, it will go in your cart. So once you have ordered something, simply tap on add to cart, and once it is done, you can simply tap on view your cart. So after this is done as well, you can see a section called apply a voucher. So simply tap on it, and once you type in the code that you have or the promos that are given down below, you can simply tap on apply, and once you do this, you will be able to use your promo code on Foodpanda. So as you can see, now my 57 baht has been deducted. So this is the promo that I had used to order this thing. So there will be different promos available in your voucher section, so you can use it anytime. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.